my plan is like my visa is getting over, so definitely I want to get back to India. And this is the great time where we are getting back to India during this pandemic situation, correct? And the great day is like today is the Mother's Day, and we are going to our mother India. We are returning to Mother India. That's a great day. Yep.
And the way this flight was arranged by Government of India, what would you like to say about that? And overall, the process that worked for you in terms of your interaction and getting to this point.
Yeah, definitely. Because for us to be staying as a illegal is very difficult here, correct? So this is a very great initiative by the government of India, thanks to Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who has arranged this kind of arrangement to get back to India. Definitely, in this kind of situation, no one can imagine like how we can go back to India, and this has been like shown by government of India. Yes, they can do, and they are getting done to get all the citizens like who are willing to go to India back during this pandemic situation. So yeah, it's a great step.
And how do you see use of technology by Indian government in extending the right services to right people at the right time?
Correct. My name is Prakhar Adhyaru, and I'm. And the technological, it's a good technological stuff because we have to just fill a simple form at the India Embassy website, and we got a call from the Indian Embassy people, and then it's very easy. Then after we got a call from Air India person, and they booked the ticket. Yeah, it's very simple. Use of technology is very good by the Indian Embassy as well as by the government of India. Even though I'm following the Twitter where I got all those updates from Indian consulate, Indian Embassy, like you have to go to that link, fill up that information sheet, and get it done. Yeah, that's a good step. Like on Twitter, on website, via communication, it's good.